Hi, I'm Melanie, or as most people know me as I Am Mel, and welcome back to another Crafternoon tea video. And if you are new, please subscribe. I thank each and every one of you who has subscribed so far, and if you subscribe today, I thank you too. I hope you enjoy. If you push that notification bell, you will see that I post Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM with the occasional bonus video where I join in open invites and collabs. So I hope you enjoy. Today's episode or video, whatever you want to call it, is me getting ready for the party basically. So I am doing the what are these called? So I am doing the party bags. So obviously they're making a necklace and bracelet, and they are also making a decoupage letter. So for my party bags, it's for 8 girls because I'm doing Abigail on 2. I have got, which I'll try and show you, but I'm not sure I'll be able to show you. Yeah, I will. These, which are actually Christmas baubles, but I think they're really cute as on their own as like party bags basically. So they've each got a heart, which is going to have some string and beads in for them to make another bracelet or necklace at home. Then I got these organza bags. I've got 2 of these, but the rest are all girly-ish colours, and so I'll put them with them, and that can have their bracelet in. Then my sister is getting sweets, so they're going to have a cone of sweets as well. I need to double check that with her today, but I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. And then obviously they take their letter, their necklace, the bracelet, the heart full of stuff, and then I'm also going to make them a key ring, which I'll show you mine. And it will be very similar to that. I'm just making that because I thought it's really cute, and it is hard to make for a child, so that's why I thought I'd make them something like that. That's my one, which I made on a course last summer or something like that. So I've also got my glass paint. I've got pink and silver because that's how I want to decorate them with. They've all got their names. I've had to write them down because some of them, these days you can name your child anything, but you can also spell it 10 million ways. Then I have got my twine, and then I've just got my beads and stuff like that, but I'll show you as I get through it. I forgot the pack of beads and letters and strings for them, so I'm going to my mum's today, so I'll put them back in later once they're dry. But first of all, I am going to start by writing their names on each heart. I have got 2 boys coming because Alfie is obviously my nephew, and Evie has a little brother called Oscar, so I'm not sure if they really want a heart, so I need to check that with Denise. But I have got blue paint just in case, but a heart, I don't really see them wanting a heart. And then I've just got my key rings, which I got from eBay basically. So yeah, that is all you need. I've also got my pliers and cotton wool buds just so I can do their names, and that is it. So I'm going to start now by doing their names, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I scrapped the silver. I was going to put like stars on the back, but I think they just look better like this. So this is them all, and then they've got their backs next to them, and then they're the organza bags to go with them. But whilst they dry, I'm going to start doing some key rings. Okay, so it's a few hours later now. I'm back from my mum's. I did make one key ring, which was really easy actually to make, and I think it looks really pretty, so that can be one of theirs. But I'm going to show you now how to make the key ring. So what you need is 3 large beads. So I'm using pink, a purple, well, 2 purples. I suppose I could use this one. I'm going to do a clear, and then I'm going to just pick out a small pink bead as well. And then you want to use your jewellery wire and measure out about 30 centimetres and cut it off. Then, using your rounded pliers and the end of the wire, you just want to curl it round. So it'll look like that. Then with your flat nosed pliers, you pinch the loop and you twist the wire around. And you can go round as many times as you want, but I have gone round twice. Then you want to do your zigzag up. So I literally just use my hands and then I bend it into a zigzag shape, and you want 2 bends on it basically. Like that. Then you want to just take a bead, it doesn't matter which one, of the big ones, of your 3 big ones, you thread them, all 3 of them on. So then they sit like that. Next you want to put your small bead on, which is like the head. The end of my wire's gone a bit funny, so. Okay, so what you could have seen earlier, you can see that they don't go directly together. So all you do is you make a loop at the top, which then the key ring goes on. So it's up to you if you want to thread the key ring on now. And then make the loop, or if you want to make the loop then put the key ring on. But I've got about a finger's width in gap there. And then all I want to do is keep the key ring on and then loop that back down. Then you just want to secure that. So if you need to, you can use your pliers. Did I lock the door? Okay, so then you can see we've got this much wire left. That's for the wings and the threading of the everything else. So you want to swivel that round the top bead and then make your wings. So you can see I've gone over to here, then I've twisted the wire back round, and then I'm making a loop which is like a wing shape, and then another one which is another wing shape. Then I need to thread this through this wing because it needs to loop. And then do them this side as well. You kind of want them matching as best as possible. And then the little loop, which needs to be a little bit smaller. Okay, so then there are the wings, and then with this wire you just need to wrap it round the 3 beads, and then when you get to the bottom bead you need to wrap it back round so the beads are covered at all times, basically, to secure them more. And then once you've got back up to the wing, you just need to twist this round. This is probably when you need to use your pliers again. So I've got my round-ended pliers. If I need them, that is what I'll be using. But right now, I don't feel like I need to. And you are literally just wrapping them round the wings a few times. You then decide what way you want the front to be. It doesn't really matter on this, so I'm just going to put it through one more time here and have this as the front. And then with your round-ended pliers, again, you are going to, in fact, I'm going to twist this round a few more times, like so. Then with my round-ended, I'm going to curve it again to make a spiral. But I might just cut that end off because that's very tight. Okay, and then with my flat-ended ones, you can see I've started the loop. You just want to twist this in, but it's quite hard because it's quite close. So you might just want to play around with your pliers. Like so, that's a bit better. And then you just want to use your flat-ended ones once you've twisted it right in and squish it down. And then there is your dragonfly keyring, and I'm going to finish off one now so you can see what I'm putting inside it. We have this, I don't know where it's from, make your own alphabet jewellery. So I will get out this. Okay, so I'm just going to pick up a random one. We'll start with this one at the end, which is Lacy Maze. So inside she is going to have a bit of string, because I've got different strings here. Then I need to find the letters of her name. So L, right, so that's Lacy May in there. Oh, I've got these as well. But I want to swap some out because it's cool. Okay, then I'm going to put 2 of each, or 3 of each beads in. And that is what she has in her heart. And then I'll secure the heart shut. That is her heart. She will have a bag which her bracelet will go in. And she'll have a bag of sweets. Obviously her L and that too. So I'm just going to cut a bit of twine and thread it through. Like that. Then she's going to have her keyring on, and she will have her bag on, which will be her bracelet when she's finished it. And then all I'm going to do is just tie it in a knot. Like that. and cut off what I don't want. And then, let's try this, present this to you. Here is Lacey May's party bag as such. But obviously she'll have her L and she'll have her jewellery in there as well. So her bracelet will be in there and her necklace as well. And my sister's getting a bag of sweets for them all. But that is her party bag, and I just need to finish all the others and I am done. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. By the time you've seen this, my first Crafternoon tea will be over with, and fingers crossed I'll have more bookings soon and be able to do them in my local like village halls and stuff. I already have one in the pipeline that I will be doing hopefully come July. I'm really looking forward to. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below what you would put in or do as a party bag. I think this is quite a grown-up party for 7-year-olds. A lot of Abigail's friends at least are having like activity world, like party world, so like soft play parties. So this is really grown up and I just hope they really enjoy it. And obviously Abigail really enjoys it, so I hope this is a nice way for her and her friends to do it. And Abigail's been begging me for one of them key rings for ages, so it's nice that they've all got one. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!